What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It's a hot Monday morning in Coburg. It was even hotter yesterday. I'm going to give you a bird's eye view before we move forward. Got some really cool stuff to show you today. I don't know why. I've got some effects going on here. I don't know if I can get rid of that. It was really, really warm yesterday here, you guys, in Coburg. I just want to give you a look over the production floor. We're going to look at a custom coach today that is nearing completion. Coach 1342, a custom coach. What's going on, everybody? Eric Benjamin. Hey, my man, how are you? Here's 1344, an X3 double slide. We've got 3 coaches right down here that are nearing completion. How about this right here? 1343. Take a look at that. A lot of work happening in 1343. And the new owners of this guy are coming to see it within the next week. Beautiful H3 double slide. But this morning, I want to show you this. My man Richard Lawrence in sunny Central Florida. This is Coach 1342. Custom X3. $120 degrees in Indio. What's going on, Sid? A good friend of ours, Sid Tolles, down there. Take a look at that entry door. Yeah, just so you guys know, I got some weird effects going on. I don't know if it's like a setting in my phone. The executive producer of Marathon Mondays, Adam T, just hooking me up with the higher knowledge. So apologies for the weird effects that are showing up on our video. I don't know why. It must have been a button I was pushing. So you guys get to get some weird effects going on with me today. So apologies. It looks like it's snowing there on my screen. I don't know. Anyway, I really want to show you this coach this morning. We're going to take a peek at this upholstery right here. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, very pretty. Look at this leather. Isn't that nice? Beautiful leather. Custom coach. Now, I think they're testing. We just killed the lights in here. So let's go out here. I think they're testing the electrical. And that's part of showing a coach during production, because we're not going to hold up production just for the show. They are definitely testing the lights or something in here on 1342. That's nice. Bay 1's got this manual slide out right here. All right, the lights are back on. We're going to jump back inside. Sofa over here. One thing I like what they did on this is they put an occasional table on both sides. Isn't that nice? So you have kind of this situation where when you're sitting on the side of the sofa, I will really be interested in seeing this completed because this dinette faces out through these windows. Look at how much natural light is in here. It's pretty. Great storage below. Not something you see very often, but when Marathon does it, look at how nice this is going to be. Lots of space over here, whether you're using it for a dinette or you're using it for like an office that overlooks these beautiful windows. I can imagine being parked at a really nice RV park and having a great view looking out these windows. Looks like that countertop is going to be the same color as this right here. That's really nice. Sofa is the same color as the cockpit in that brown leather. Fireplace right behind the cockpit. TV above the cockpit. And of course, this one right here that pulls out so that the recliner on the other side, meaning the curb side, can see it. Which is going to be right here. Look at this galley. One of the things that Marathon has been doing over the last year is making these open curios. The open curios are quite popular with a lot of people. We are still doing the closed curio cabinets, but this open cabinet with the lighting, and you see it's got a light up here. My man Kaywood Elliott is watching. That's really pretty. And this has a refrigerator with a wine facility below. That is really cool. We're not going to open the fridge there, right there. There's a lot going on in there. One thing I want to point out here is look at all of the protective coverings in the cockpit. This is something that Marathon does to ensure that everything stays pristine for the owners. That's just part of paying attention to detail and making sure that the owners get a pristine coach. While we're in here, there's a lot of manufacturing happening in here. I'm going to sneak by you real quick. You're good. I'm going to take a look at this backsplash in the water closet. That's backlit. It's also dimmable. Over to this wall covering. Isn't that pretty? Really nice. So this coach, being a custom coach, you've got the 2 water closets, plus you've got the shower, which is right there. Gerald watching in New Hampshire, good friend of ours. Look at all that storage. What a beautiful coach. Washer, dryer. Also in the back closet. This coach is nearing completion. I really like this storage. I know you guys have seen this. What a good place to put a lot of storage, and it doesn't even look like it. It just looks like the header. Yeah, Brad says he loves the wiring. I do too. Big closet in the back. That's nice. I'll be excited to see this one completed, but I just wanted to get it on the show and show you guys before it gets done. This is really going to be nice. I know the owners are excited. They are working with Alan Christensen, and I know the owners of 1343, this guy right here, they're also working with Alan Christensen. This beautiful paint job. I know we've seen this over the last couple of weeks. It's really going to be great to see this thing outside. We've got a few more minutes, so I'm going to show you. There's 1342, custom X3, 1343, and H3. Also, it's really nice to see the two. It's really nice to see the two side by side. Something else right there. All right. What do you think of that front end? Isn't that cool? Yeah, Mark says he loves the color. I do too. Richard Garrett in the house. Let's walk down here, you guys. Before we sign off for the week, let's head on down here. Like I've said before, if you're looking to get into a marathon, reach out to me. We've got a good amount of new inventory that's coming off the production floor over the next several months, whether it be an X or an H, but they go fast, you guys. They are going fast. So if you're looking to get into a new coach, you need to get at me right away. MALW, that's MalW at marathoncoach.com. Now, pre-owned's another story. Pre-owned coaches also going very fast. Inventory, as you well know, in the industry wide, is limited. But Marathon has locations in Oregon, Texas, and Florida. We're going to go to this other side of the production floor. It just hit break time here at the world headquarters. So that gives us the opportunity to not hold up production and walk into the coaches, because we don't want to hold up any of the production. This is a custom coach right here, 1351. And this designer choice, this is 1349, also an Alan Christensen designed X3. And just to show you how far along this one is. And you see that I walked up here on the scaffolding. The scaffolding allows us to take the slide out, which you see down there. The slide out comes out, and we can go right inside along with the appliances. There's Coach 1350 we just passed. 1350, another custom X3. And then back down to the north end. On your right, walking by 1343. On your left, 1344. And we're going to walk right through this door into the heat of Coburg. Here is a Monaco marquee that we just took in on trade. That's one thing. If you're in an RV, whether it be an RV, a fiberglass RV like this thing right here, or you're in a Prevost conversion, a Newell, anything, we'll take it in on trade, you guys. And there you go right there. There's a marquee that came in on trade. Here's a real good opportunity. Here's 2 H shells waiting to go to paint. 1357 and 1358. It's always cool to see shells coming in. Marathon has the power and ability to continue bringing in and building coaches. Always fun to see new shells come in. Well, that's kind of the deal for the day, you guys. And big thanks to Alan Christensen, who reached out to me about wanting to show Coach 1342 custom X3 that'll be completed here in the next couple of weeks. So a big thanks to Alan for requesting getting that coach on. Hey, you know what? Stick with us. We're not going anywhere yet. We're going to go back in there because I want to show you. Because it's break time, everybody came out of the coach that was working in it. We're going to snoop around a little bit more. Back into 1342. I wanted to look. This is the refrigerator freezer right here, you guys. Right by the galley, where it should be, right? But this over here is too cool. Oh, look at this pantry, you guys. Massive pantry. Sorry about that. I lost you guys.
Yeah, that's right, you.
Sorry we dropped off there a little bit. When I walked into the coach, all of the structure of going into the coach really took us away from our Wi-Fi. It happens. Anyway, everybody, be yourself and do good things. Thanks for watching. A big thanks to Alan Christensen this morning and everybody else on the production floor for letting me invade their space. If you're out there traveling, be safe, and we will see you soon. Reach out to me if you're looking to get into a coach, if you're looking to sell your current coach or trade in your current coach. MALW@marathoncoach.com is my email. Like I said earlier, be yourself and do good things. And I will see you next Monday.